This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Swindell. Charming Cape Cod West/great floor plan. Living and dining rooms west/lots of natural light. Dining room with built-in bench storage, open kitchen with gas range. Newer fridge and island west/2 chairs that convey. Large utility room west/adjacent powder room. Kitchen is open to spacious den west/wood fireplace and access to deck and backyard access. 2 spacious bedrooms and nice hall bath plus large primary suite upstairs. Big backyard west/deck, space for fire pit, and 2 storage sheds. Convey as is. Great location, close to grocery, shops, restaurants, parks and the beach plus easy access to interstates, schools and medical facilities. For more information, review the details below.